Good morning, everybody. Here's a live look outside this morning near the sunrise. We've got a few clouds out on that east horizon. Those are the clouds left over from the rain showers yesterday and basically what we had throughout the evening hours yesterday. The rain showers mainly fell during the midday hours yesterday, and again, these clouds are moving out of here. The Vigo County Credit Union Tower showing us 67 degrees. Winds now out of the northwest, and just an hour ago it was 71. We've dropped 4 degrees with basically within the last hour or so. The winds have shifted now, and instead of out of the west, they're out of the northwest, so it's still muggy outside this morning. But again, we're trying to work on bringing those humidity levels down here in the short term, so keep that in mind. Barometers going up, humidity levels coming down. 67 in Terre Haute right now, 68 in Bloomington, 68 in Vincennes. As mentioned, just about an hour ago, it was 71s, 72s, lots of lower 70s out here with some cooler weather trying to move in, or cooler temperatures, I should say. Drier air moving in is essentially the case here, bringing those humidity levels down as well as the temperature. 62 in Paris, 67 in Terre Haute will fall to about 64 or 5 degrees over the next hour or so. As far as the clouds that we've got, they're not rainmakers. Your Storm Team 10 Fury radar is all quiet. Here's a look at that bigger picture, and notice that yesterday, well, we had this cold front. We just showed you potential tornado damage back near St. Louis, and again, they had a rough go of things yesterday. This was the same line of thunderstorms that was headed our way, and it actually broke up. We had severe weather down to the south, even spotty severe thunderstorms to the north yesterday afternoon, and so, well, we kind of got lucky with that. So some good news there. We had some rain showers in the morning, about a 1/10 of an inch of rain to 3/10 of an inch of rain for most of us is all that we measured through the day yesterday. So again, that's some welcome news. Unfortunately, we've got rain back in the forecast for you tonight. The clouds we've got overhead right now, again, not rainmakers, but again, just going to give us partly cloudy skies. Mid-60s here this morning with winds light and out of the northwest. 65 again through the 8 o'clock hour. 74 by noon, 82 this afternoon. So it's still going to warm up, but it shouldn't be as muggy, at least for about 12 hours today. It's going to feel a little bit better with those winds out of the northwest. Again, the high temperature back to about average, 82 degrees. Yeah, averages are actually climbing to about 84, 85, and by the end of the month, the average daytime high is 87s and 88s, and so very warm air on its way. Thunderstorm outlook included everybody yesterday. It does not include any of us today. It stays just to the south of our area, so definitely something we'll keep an eye on, but it does look like all the threats for rain showers will stay east and south of us today. There goes your cold front, and you watch the clock at the top take us into the afternoon here. Lower 80s, winds out of the northwest, still partly cloudy skies, and it's still going to be warm, but humidity levels down a bit. Watch as this clock ticks into the overnight hours here, and again, while the skies will be somewhat clear with a few clouds, well, they'll start to thicken back up. The clouds will move back in. This is for tomorrow morning. Scattered rain showers, they're back. Minimal chances in the morning. Mid-60s for temperatures. Winds are now back out of the southeast, and watch through the day tomorrow. We get some breaks. We get some rain showers moving back in. And again, we've got another area of low pressure that's going to roll through. You don't see it here just yet. Near 80 degrees in the meantime during the day tomorrow. Watch back out here in Missouri, west of St. Louis. Here comes that area of low pressure with a cold front hanging off of it again. Ahead of that, we'll see active rain showers and thunderstorms mainly through the overnight hours, late evening hours tomorrow into Thursday morning. Behind this cold front, look at this. Rain extends about 150 to almost 200 miles behind it, as opposed to the one that went through yesterday. We've got some warmer air immediately behind it. Nonetheless, we are going to see kind of the same pattern as we get into Thursday and Friday. Thursday and Friday, I'll tell you what, that cold front moves through. It'll be a little bit cooler for Friday, basically bringing humidity levels down and taking rain out of the forecast for Friday and Saturday. 82, no rain today, partly cloudy, still warm, however. 82, that daytime high is slightly below average, but again, it's going to feel a little bit better with winds out of the northwest. Tonight, down to 65, mostly cloudy skies, scattered rain showers, a 40% chance increases to a 70% chance tomorrow. Scattered rain and thunderstorms ahead of a cold front, 80 degrees with winds out of the southwest, and when you can get to 80 degrees without sunshine, you know there's going to be warmer air moving in. Notice Thursday down to 75, past the cold front, and therefore Friday and Saturday, matter of fact, it looks like they're going to be very comfortable with lower humidity levels, highs slightly below average in the lower 80s. We've got another shot of rain Sunday and Monday, and so basically, Abby, we've got 2 and 3 and 4 areas of low pressure just lined up, ready to roll through here and give us a couple dry days, a couple days for chances for rain and thunderstorms, a couple more dry days, and again, this little pattern here is going to last into the middle of next week.